Simple thinking, not long sentences, not difficult grammar, okay? Just simple thoughts. Like right now, I am sitting on the chair, and this is normal. And you know what I feel? Our brain is doing extra work. Why does thinking in English feel so difficult? At Why does thinking in English feel so difficult at the beginning? Why does my brain stop when I try to speak in English? If you feel this way, then you are not alone. Today, I want to talk about this honestly. When we start speaking English, our brain feels very slow. We know the words, but we cannot use them. This happens because our brain is trained in our mother tongue, right? For many years, we thought in Hindi or our local language. So when we try to speak English, our brain get confused. So this confusion does not mean you are bad at English. It only means your brain is learning something new. This all about translating problem, right? At the first, we translate every sentence. First, we thinking in English, then we translate it into English, and this process takes time. So that's why our speaking slow and difficult, and this is normal. And you know what I feel? Our brain is doing extra work, so that's why they get confused. Why it feels impossible? So let me tell you, thinking in English impossible because we expect fast result. We think I am learning English, so I should speak fluently now. So let me tell you one thing, that how our brain is working. First our brain listen, and then it understand, then slowly it start responding. And silence and pauses are part of learning. What actually helps? So let me tell you, what really helps is simple thinking, not long sentences, not difficult grammar, okay? Just simple thoughts. Like right now, I am sitting on the chair, I am looking outside, I am calm. So that's it. When we practice simple thoughts daily, our brain start feeling safe. And slow English becomes natural. I am also practicing like this. I am not perfect. I also take pause. I also make mistakes, but I keep speaking. And I don't translate everything. I just try to think in English. And every day it feels little easier. If thinking in English feels impossible for you, then please remember this. Feeling is temporary. Okay, so keep practicing and keep thinking in simple English. Okay, so this is day 9 of my 30 days spoken English challenge. If you want to practice with me, then stay connected and practice daily. See you in day 10. Bye bye.